You are now listening to Sembang Panas Podcast.
Yo, what's up people? Siapa marah ni? Podcast kita kali ni ditajakan khas oleh
The Fashion Avenue.
Jadi kalau korang-korang yang berminat atau suka dengan barang-barang branded ataupun barang-barang luxury item, bolehlah korang follow The Fashion Avenue.
Ya, ada The Fashion Avenue. Ada jual macam-macam barang branded. Ada beg, kasut, baju, seluar, dalam. Dalam.
Dia buat joke lah guys.
Ada gelang, apa-apa semua adalah. And also the price also at discount prices.
Yes, so kalau
sir.
korang nak cari present untuk sesiapa, yourself, maybe your family, colleague ke siapa, tak payah cari jauh-jauh guys. Installment plan pun ada.
Jadi
Betul,
tunggu
betul,
apa
betul.
lagi guys. Follow them at thefashion_avenue at Instagram. And kalau korang ada apa-apa soalan, korang boleh call them at 87830996. Aku repeat lagi sekali, 87830996.
Yes, betul tu guys. Kalau korang tak nak beli sekarang pun tak apa. Yang penting korang follow diorang tu.
Yes.
Mana tahu nanti tergerak hati nak beli. Bolehlah beli. Bila beli nanti jangan lupa untuk kod Al-Kisah untuk dapat $10 off. Which is equals to free delivery island wide.
Yeah boy.
Dan dengan itu guys, kita akan mulakan podcast
Sembang Panas.
Ini sembang panas. Ini sembang panas. Ini sembang apa? Ini sembang panas. Ini sembang
Yo, what's up people? Selamat datang ke lagi satu episod Sembang Panas. Nama saya Aidi Syam.
So girl Diane.
Nama saya Ajul.
Nama saya Azhar.
Ya, apalah.
Okay guys, time check sekarang adalah pukul 12 malam.
Yes.
Dan apa khabar para penonton, pendengar sekalian pada episod yang lalu?
Kau dah
Tiba
kenapa?
kau.
Kau
Diam
yang
lah.
baku-baku bagai.
Sorry lah guys. Aku nak feeling.
English tak betul, baku pun tak betul. Apa
Ni apa detik
Kurang
2.0 apa?
Detik 2.0. Okay guys,
Ni
aku
bukan detik, ni detuk.
ni dedik.
Nah, dia dedik.
Guys, tapi aku rasa it's gonna be like damn interesting kalau the whole podcast kita try berbual bahasa baku.
No.
Nah, not gonna happen, bro.
Yes.
Not gonna happen. I'm lazy.
Kenapa anda berasa begitu?
Kerana saya amat penat
Hari ini.
Hari ini.
Letih.
Hari ini habis dalam pukul 12 malam.
Habis.
Habis pukul.
Diam ah.
Kau punya Melayu pun sudah habis.
Agak-agak ya. Kerana sekarang sudah pukul 12 malam. Kita
sudah.
harus dah ngantuk.
Iya, besok kerja pagi.
Besok sekolah pagi ya pak. So cepat habis.
Okay, sudah. Okay guys, so we're gonna get back to the last topic that we talk about.
Yes,
Remember
sir.
ID, jangan step lupa.
ID tersingkir.
Jangan
ID
daripada-
tersingkir.
Bukan tersingkir je. Kau pun ada masuk TV pasal detik.
Habis?
Yes.
Kita nak interview kau balik lagi.
Bastard.
Yes.
Cerita lah.
Apa yang korang dah lupa?
Tak pasal aku tak lupa pasal aku pun kat dalam juga.
Jadi kau nak aku cerita apa? Bukan aku dah cerita semuanya last podcast.
Tak ada.
Lah,
Sikit aja.
Sikit-sikit je. Tak banyak. So
Ni full review.
full review. Kita
We want to know the questions.
and mana tahu kau boleh dapat pendapat kita sekali?
Ya pendapat.
It's a good thing, right? So mana tahu kita pun dapat masuk detik
Aku dah lupa lah soalan-soalan yang
Mana tipu anjing kau
sudah.
tak harap
Stop it
Betul, sumpah aku dah lupa.
Sempit-sempit.
Kau dah simpan dia punya ni?
Tak tahu ni check.
Tu jangan bimbang. Saya rasa kita punya team
Saya.
Saya rasa sudah.
Ada tersingkir.
Macam nak main satu game dulu lah, like a short game.
Dah.
Kita like host in bahasa Melayu. Like baku.
Okay, kita punya podcast punya ni lah. Kita try. Podcast kita punya ni.
Yeah,
Okay?
sponsor.
Sponsor eh?
Sponsor.
Sponsor dalam Melayu apa? Sponsor kan?
Sponsor.
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 Ya ke? Korang jangan sembarang
Asal boleh kentut aja.
Kerajaan.
Ha?
Kerajaan.
Tajaan.
Oh, tajaan.
Tajaan oleh.
Ditaja.
Oh, ditaja oleh di Fashion Avenue.
Okay, kita start dengan ID dulu.
try?
Kita try. Let's go.
Yo, what up guys? Baku macam mana?
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Okay, tak payah. Okay, kita try.
Kita try.
Podcast kami kali ini ditajakan khas oleh The Fashion Avenue. Jadi untuk kamu yang berminat dengan barang-barang luxury atau
luxury bahasa Melayu.
luxury bahasa Melayu apa sih?
Barang-barang mahal aku rasa.
Berjenama.
Barang-barang
Yang berjenama yang
barang-barang yang berjenama bolehlah anda ikuti di Fashion Avenue.
Dan di Fashion Avenue
sambung.
ada menjual barang-barang yang sangat berharga.
Berharga.
Berharga. Ada jual kasut, mobil.
Tak bila dia jual kereta.
Dah tukar pula.
Ada jual kasut,
Kasut.
baju,
beg tangan dan gelang tangan.
Ya,
Dan
betul.
harganya sangat berpatutan.
Okay. You got it. Mampus kau.
Dan sekiranya kamu ingin membeli untuk kawan-kawan, kawan sekerja, rakan-rakan bersama keluarga, tidak perlu mencari jauh-jauh.
Okay.
Dan juga installment plan juga ada. Jangan bimbang.
Installment bahasa Melayu apa?
Bayaran ansuran juga ada. Hancur. I have to really think
Kau
for the
jangan
words.
ketawa, kau Milton.
Jadi apa tunggu lagi?
Tunggu apa lagi?
Tunggu apa lagi semua? Follow apa? Ikuti mereka di Instagram,
Di halaman
Instagram @dfashion @dfashion_avenue. Dan kalau semuanya ada pertanyaan
Dan jika anda
ada
apa sebarang pertanyaan,
panjang sangat aku bedakan.
Tak ada baku.
Okey, jika anda ada apa-apa persoalan tentang
pertanyaan.
buka azab macam cibai bodoh. Aku tak boleh.
dia mah aku bersuka
You behind the screen, you shut up.
You shut up you.
Okay, talk.
Jadi ada kan aku lupa.
Ada apa pertanyaan?
Ada apa-apa pertanyaan atau persoalan, hubungi mereka di 8 mereka di 8783 sifar 996.
Dan kawan-kawan jangan lupa untuk kod dalam Melayu apa?
You tersingkir.
Kod dalam Melayu apa kod? Dan jangan lupa untuk
Nombor
Alkisah untuk mendapatkan free
percuma delivery
barangan yang percuma.
penghantaran percuma.
Gratis.
Dan dengan itu kawan-kawan, kami akan mulakan podcast Sembang Panas.
That took like
Okay,
forever.
dah boleh balik guys.
Okay guys, sudah Sekarang ni ID pun nak try cuba siam sudah ID. We are coming back to you. We are still coming back to you ID.
Even though we play a game,
Why?
you cannot run away.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So since most part of the interview kena cut off untuk viewer description, right? Kat Sembang Panas
Discretion.
discretion. Kat Sembang Panas ni tak adalah filter kan.
Macam mana kau suruh aku cakap pasal relationship aku dengan adik kau. Ni kau pergi kena balik tu. Rasain lo.
Okay.
Okay. So basically in the actual interview kan ada 10 question yang ditanya, correct?
Ya,
So
betul.
kita akan try all 10.
Okay.
Nampak all 10.
All 10.
Bring it on.
Okay lah, mungkin the all 10 questions cannot be fitted into one 30 minutes episode.
Tapi kita try lah.
Kita try. Kalau tak, kita move on to the next one.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, so
Round 1.
round 1. Mari kita cuba.
Pusingan.
Pusingan.
Pusingan pertama.
Pusingan pertama.
Pertama pusingan.
Okay.
Cara penyampaian Alkisah yang berbeza dari biasa. Kenapa?
Mengapa?
serius aku nak kena jawab dalam baku.
Tak lah bodoh jawab
Bila
lah.
nak habis.
Kata question aku kan detik sekarang.
Cara penyampaian Alkisah berbeza daripada
Orang
yang
lain.
biasa. Kenapa? Okay, let me
Ni
try.
sembang panas bro, jawab
No,
je.
let me try and recall back. Macam okay. I told him bahasa even in a line macam cara penyampaian kita is different. You cannot deny that it's different. Okay, ada pasal this is why it is because we need to be different daripada content creators yang lain.
Kenapa?
Yeah, true.
Yalah, content creator ada banyak dekat jangan cakap Singapore je lah, dekat social media ni ada banyak.
True.
Kan? There are so many out there. So what are you gonna do or what content are you gonna do that actually attracts people to watch you? Betul tak?
Yalah,
Kan betul tak? Sekarang kalau if you happen to pass by another content creator and their content is boring and cara dia berbual macam nothing that attracts you, you will just skip what and go to the next one.
True.
Betul tak?
Yeah.
And even if it's like 1 or 2 episodes yang boring, you will just skip macam dia ni dah merepek lah. You won't see it what.
True.
Betul tak? So it's basically that is why lah. And also kenapa cara penyampaian. Okay, this was what I was thinking. The way that he was asking me is kenapa cara kita berbual macam gini.
Berbual kasar lah.
Berbual kasar, berbual maki-maki. It's because one thing is I don't like to be fake. And I don't want my team to be fake. Macam aku keep saying, apa yang korang nampak kita dekat luar ni, apa kau nampak kita kat TikTok gini, that is who we are.
Yeah.
Betul
Yes, sir.
tak? There's no reason for me to be fake just so that that society will accept me.
Trying to fit in lah.
Yeah. Aku don't give a fuck kalau makcik-makcik nak cakap apa budak ni yang maki-maki apa gini semua, Kau tak suka aku, you don't watch. It's as simple as that. What?
Wah sudah kena brother. Wah sudah kena brother. Wah
So, wah
okay je
simple.
Wah kena wah maki je
And come on lah, let's be honest. Berapa banyak content creator yang kita kenal,
Okay.
cara diorang berbual dekat online dengan cara diorang berbual dekat luar is like totally different.
Alah.
Dekat online macam hi everyone, gini.
Relative.
Very sopan santun ni. Jumpa kita macam macam bro, kimak kau tahu tadi. That is how they talk to us.
True.
So here's the thing, kenapa aku nak kena put up that fake front just so that people will accept me.
Correct.
Betul tak? Habis lepas tu bila orang nampak aku kat luar, actually dia tak macam gini tau. Dia dekat luar dia maki-maki berbual.
Nampak sangat fake.
Nampak sangat tipu.
Korang ada macam-macam next episode boleh tak? Next episode nak bawa macam-macam yang karakter, go ahead lah.
Yalah. So basically that's it lah. That is why kita punya cara penyampaian kita macam gini lah. Betul tak?
True,
As long as
true.
it's true. It's true lah.
Okay.
But then do you think that you need to actually change yourself so that people will accept you?
In this world people want to be accepted.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the thing lah. Kita ada banyak sponsors atau banyak company that is actually interested to join at first. Ataupun bahasa staff dia suka tengok kita dan macam recommended us to diorang punya the approving punya parties lah. But there are a few yang bahasa cannot lah, their language like that, diorang punya cara berbual macam gini, tak kena lah dengan gini. So macam aku cakap lah, do I have to put up a fake front
For you?
for people to accept us, for us to get jobs, for us ni. Here's macam kita tengok sekarang, kita punya sponsor-sponsor yang dah masuk selama ni, bahasa nak tahu tak SG, deal tu. I'm sorry The Fashion Avenue that I have to mention all this lah. Bahasa The Fashion Avenue, and then after
Jom
that
Kurban.
Jom Sembang SG,
Yes.
and then we also have coming up, kita ada 2 lagi that's coming up. So
that's
just wait for
great.
it lah.
That's great.
So alhamdulillah, now we are still getting paid. We are still being fed.
Alhamdulillah lah.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
Yes, memang pada aku I see it as like it is bukan rezeki kita. Dan kita tengok macam gitu, that's it lah. Kita pun tak sakit hati buat.
Correct. Okay,
Just
that
go
makes
with the
sense.
flow.
Go with the flow. Betul.
I mean whatever we want to, maybe mungkin lah ni apa aku rasa, mungkin apa kita nak cakap pun, like we want to share our points also, I think it's the same as ID. Kita tak nak jadi fake, we don't want to be like so fake, that kind of thing. We will just be blunt. Apa kita tak suka kita cakap. Apa yang kita suka kita cakap.
So just truthful.
Yeah.
Just show the true colours. Don't fake it out.
Yes.
Oh, fake it out.
Fake it out.
Fake you.
Okay. Okay, so next question
Pusingan kedua.
adalah, kenapa anda rasa masyarakat mahukan pengisan yang sedemikian?
Kenapa
Anda rasa
masyarakat
Dia cuma ambil first word je, kenapa?
Aku terzone out sekejap.
Kenapa anda rasa masyarakat mahukan pengisian yang sedemikian?
Okay,
Itu cerita.
Okay lah, here's the thing lah. Aku rasa macam, you know, people nowadays, diorang lebih suka content yang they can relate to. You know,
Yeah,
basically
that's
okay,
true.
macam kau tengok TV sekarang for example lah. For example macam there are so many things yang you cannot relate. Kau faham tak? So and one good thing is that macam kita banyak tackle benda-benda yang viral. Betul tak?
That's true.
We are tackling things that are hot in the market.
Yes.
So we talk
sembang
about
panas.
it, we do parodies about it, you know, we do our TikToks with it, you know, everything that's trending kita bikin. So these are the things that diorang bikin pasal ni tadi baru aku baca dekat ni. Tadi baru aku nampak video ni. You know, so they can relate.
Yeah, understand,
Macam these are the things that is close to heart lah. Kau faham tak? Jadi macam how do I put it selalunya most of the things yang kadang kita nampak viral dekat Facebook, dekat
Correct.
mana-mana, these are some of the things tak keluar pun dekat TV.
Yeah, unless it's like very very big kind of issue that is trending right now.
Okay,
then,
okay, macam you just take a look. Macam okay lah, yang for example we take example RI punya issue tu. Bukan RI lah.
yang River Valley.
River Valley tu.
RI jauh
Pasal
sial.
that was trending in social media, and it was reported
Yes.
in TV.
Yes.
But you remember yang trending this unconventional Malay girl? She was trending everywhere in social media.
Yeah,
But was
yeah.
it shown in TV?
No.
No.
But was it funny to us? Was it something that we can all relate to?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, it was.
Yep.
You know,
Yeah,
TV
understand.
banyak how should I put it? In a way macam filter banyak benda.
A lot of
Betul
things.
tak? Especially macam benda yang as long as it doesn't affect the community, doesn't affect
Yeah.
the ni, most of the time it won't be out pun in the first place.
But honestly kalau fikirkan balik, social media is also where the place that kita boleh luahkan perasaan kita. You know,
True.
like,
Yeah.
kita nak keluarkan, you know, let it go with what we
Let
can
it
say.
out.
Yeah, let it out. You say let it out. Depan kating aku sakit sial. So mungkin cara kita is we want to, you know, just put it at the social media and give them our point of views. Like what you say lah.
Can I say like your idea is actually to reach out to every channels in social media?
Yeah, tak kisah Cina, Melayu, India. Even though we are
all races.
Yeah, we are doing it for all
races.
races. So kalau kita memang berbual bahasa Melayu, tapi you know the story and we just doing it in a parody version. So you guys can understand it as well.
Yeah,
Betul tak?
and here's the thing lah. A lot of people are can argue dengan kita, cakap macam, but who told you your opinion or your views matter about this? You know, we get that a lot. Macam kita cakap, kenapa kita bikin ni semua? Pasal you know, we want to, this is what we like to do lah, basically.
Yes,
So, and kalau kau nak cakap kita punya who needs your opinion, who asked for it, macam who asked for your opinion, whether you like my podcast or not. You know,
true,
you want to be
Damn.
blunt, I'ma be blunt. You know, pasal this is the thing lah. This is an example lah. Some influencers will just keep quiet, takkan reply hate comment.
Yeah.
You know, but I'm being real. We are being real. Kau
Yeah.
kasih kita mesti kasih balik.
Yes.
You know,
Kena punya.
pasal this is what I feel lah. Macam most influencers kat luar, you know, atau most kira social media punya personalities and all that. Diorang pasal will just keep quiet.
Yes,
Kau tahu macam
Like
okay, for
malas
example
nak layan
artis-artis
lah.
Malaysia, orang kalau hentam pun diorang just diam. You know? We are not like that.
Yep.
We are just like you. Sama je. Kau kasih, kita kasih balik.
Yeah.
It's like that lah.
Macam game badminton, lu hentak wan tak balik. Lu hentak wan tak balik.
lu gendang
gua joget. Iya marif sial.
Lu gendang wan joget, babe. Okay?
I'm not part of this. I'm innocent.
You part of the Mina also, okay?
Okay,
You can't
okay.
run away. So okay lah, let's move on to the next question. Aku tanya lah, okay?
Okay.
So aku nak berbual baku juga.
Tapi
Apa?
Okay. Cakap.
Apa yang tapinya?
Tak ada apa-apa.
Tapi sayang.
Punchline awak merata-rata je.
Merata-rata.
Tidak mengapa.
Okey,
Lanjutkan pertanyaan anda.
Lanjutkan. Lancau. Bagaimana populariti anda telah berkembang sejak beberapa tahun yang lalu?
Panas.
Popularity.
Macam cerita.
Kira-kira dia nak tanya aku popular ke? Dia cakap aku popular.
Yalah. Dah, jangan nak kembang sangat.
No lah. Siapa yang cakap aku popular? Who? Okay, here's the thing. Aku have never felt like aku popular. Okay, I have to be honest with you guys. Okay. Yes, macam you know orang kadang kat TikTok, hi idol, hi ni, hey you my most favorite TikToker gini. To be honest, aku tak pernah rasa macam aku ni very famous person atau a very popular person. Okay.
Why?
Yeah, because kalau kita nak compare diri kita dengan other content creators dekat Singapore, jangan cakap yang bangsa lain lah, Melayu punya content creators kat luar, we are still very far away. Even dengan numbers kita pun, it's really not that impressive.
Okay.
To me yet, because aku really feel macam kalau you want to talk about popular, bahasa TV panggil. Then you want to talk popular, yes, TV panggil. Then after that you get a lot of jobs. Klien tak putus-putus, selalu akan keluar dekat Instagram buat review. To me, kalau when all this happens, then you want to call yourself popular, yes popular. But sekarang tengok kita, yes, Alhamdulillah, I'm very happy with what we have achieved all this while. But to say that we are popular, I don't think so, because there are so many other content creators yang aku rasa that is way above us.
Of course,
Okay.
that's way.
But Alhamdulillah But Alhamdulillah, macam during this 4 years of kita buat Alkisah ni, macam aku really appreciate all the love and all the support yang kita punya followers, kita punya macam ni supporters yang kasih kita. Because without I know this sounds cliche, but without them kita confirm takkan dekat sini lah.
Yalah, true
Lah. If orang cakap this is cliche, but I guess that this is true. Sekarang kalau tak ada orang support, you think we will still be doing this?
Correct.
Aku tak rasa.
Do you think we'll be here right now?
Yeah, exactly. Kalau tak ada orang support kita, aku tak rasa sponsor akan masuk.
Yeah.
So yalah, Alhamdulillah, this small popularity lah, aku rasa really does help us a lot lah.
Yeah, I mean like tipu lah kalau kita keluar, orang tak cakap abang popular, kakak popular, you know, that kind of thing. But Tak ada. Boringnya kau.
Orang cakap ni yang mulut besar. Ada orang jumpa aku cakap kesian.
Mak boring kan tak nak berbual. Since kau pun aku rasa kau pernah berbual dengan pasal abang-abang kan. Kau, like you know, like you have been called, aku kena panggil like, abang popular, that kind of thing, you know, with kawan-kawan yang kacau aku, that kind of thing. But I told them aku tak famous, that kind of thing. I'm not there that top level, that kind of thing, because I know I'm not.
Because you know where is your level.
See my level.
Okay.
So
Azal. Bobok Melayu, bobok baku sudah.
risau aku.
Okay.
So I mean like we try our best to, you know, reach out to the society, like what the message we want to pass, you know, that kind of thing. So aku rasa like what ID said lah, kita punya popularity is still way far, jauh lagi untuk kita jejak.
Okay.
Korang rasa macam mana?
So far you're doing good.
Not me, you.
Me?
Talking about yourself, don't talk about
About
me.
myself?
Yalah.
Why you ask me?
Yalah, mungkin tahu you like very popular already now.
I'm not popular.
She's just a DFA.
She popular overseas one.
Yalah.
Yeah, I'm popular overseas. Forgot lah.
That sounds so fucking wrong, but okay, never mind. Move on.
Okay, so the next question.
That sounds so
Okay.
fucking wrong, sia.
Okay.
Okay,
The level
so the
Johnny.
next question, which is the baku part, right?
Baku.
Alright, the baku.
Khalifah.
So, which is bagaimana anda berusaha memberi pengisian yang lebih baik dari content creators yang lain? Bagaimana anda berusaha untuk mendapat lebih ramai followers strategi?
Strategi anda lah.
Okay.
What kind of strategy you have lah, basically?
Okay lah, here's the thing. First and foremost, aku tak rasa macam we are better than any other content creators.
Yeah.
We don't. Okay?
Why?
Why? Yeah, okay. My bad. Sabar. Ni interviewer tak sabar ni.
Time is running. Answer was.
Here's the thing lah. Macam content creator lain just produces different content daripada kita. Am I right?
Yeah,
Am I right?
True.
Ada yang suka konten kita, tak suka konten diorang. Ada yang suka konten diorang, tak suka konten kita. Cik, aku dah macam ni Okay, but yalah. So macam aku cakap, so who is the judge yang to say, oh dia ni actually konten dia lagi baik dia ni? You know not? Everyone ada cita rasa lain masing-masing.
Preferences.
Correct.
Ada cita rasa
Preferences.
masing-masing. So macam for them to actually put at that level, bahasa tanya kita that kind of soalan, aku in a way pun at that point terus terang aku cakap, aku felt like I was a bit trapped. Then aku macam,
Why
kalau
do
you
you
try
feel
imagine kalau aku just jawab macam, oh kita actually pasal kita bikin ni. So I'm already agreeing that I'm better than any other content
Yalah,
creators,
of course.
which I don't think so.
Yeah.
You know? And then after that the cara kita untuk naikkan kita punya followers and all that, aku rasa one good thing is we have been consistent lah, alhamdulillah, especially for kita punya podcast.
There's ups and downs lah
Yeah,
kan.
we have our ups and downs. There are times where tiba-tiba kita malas nak bikin. Habis lepas
There are
tu
those days.
Yeah, there are
those
those
days
days. Habis lepas tu bila kita dah malas, lepas tu tiba-tiba kita hilang daripada charts kan.
I mean when we are the 3 orang je dulu.
Kan, it was and then after that, yalah, I mean all of us have our own stuff to do and our own commitments. Macam kita cakap, kita bikin ni benda pun kita belum level kita bikin ni benda full time.
Yes.
Correct.
You know, kalau seandainya ada company ke ada apa yang mampu untuk sponsor kita and bayar kita, okay, each one of you will get letaklah gaji full time 3,000. Aku pun don't mind saya hari-hari datang duduk sini berbual. Betul tak? Am I right?
betul lah.
Kalau kita can get that kind of bahasa fix punya benda, aku rasa all of us will be doing this full time.
True.
It's something that we love to do.
Correct.
And come on lah, sit down and talk. Aku rasa, you know, anyone would agree with that amount of
Limit
money.
kau kena buasi je apa. Dah lah, okay lah.
dah kena dah.
Limit kena buasi je apa. Tak apa, meleceh dah lah. Okay lah, duduk je apa, berbual.
Okay, here's another thing, bahasa a lot of people bahasa tengok kita kan, bahasa oh senang saya hidup dia, just duduk berbual podcast, just joget-joget kat TikTok dapat duit, you know. People see it as easy, but orang tak nampak the things that the shit that we have to go through kat belakang.
Behind the scene lah kira.
Yeah, behind the scenes, how much planning we do, how much research kita bikin, how much, you know,
All the
macam
hard work.
all the rejected, all the meetings, all the late nights editing and all that.
Like
you know?
how we want to make it as perfect as we can.
Yeah, exactly. Macam, okay, just look at it. Sekarang ni dah nak pukul 12.30 malam.
Yes.
12.30 malam. And we are not close to done yet. We still got another 1 more hour podcast to record.
Betul.
Jadi sekarang ni, and besok kita ada kerja pagi. Kita ada sekolah pagi.
Yes.
So, yalah, it's basically the teamwork and all these are the things that people don't see. People see the fame, people see the money that we get, but people don't see the work behind it.
Satunya
All the late nights and not enough sleep.
kadang-kadang tertidur sambil meeting kita okay.
Sedaya kan.
I'm guilty for that.
Then, sebelum korang shoot kan, tak datang meeting pun ada. Terima kasih. Busy sekolah. Tapi like you say lah, I mean we all have our own jobs like outside. This is just our, you know, we make it fun, you know, to talk, you know, duduk berbual, talk about something trending, enjoy. But in the same time korang tak tahu kita punya rasa macam mana. Maybe the other content creators ada rasa macam gitu. Tapi some yang macam kita ni, kita rasa maybe it's a bit different, like how we push like from dari bawah to naik that level. Kau ingat that tough part that kita nak naik, dan kita sekarang turun balik, then we are going up, that kind of thing is very very tough. So I feel like okay lah, we really did put a lot of effort for the team lah. Each one of us really put a lot.
So you should support us.
Gitu.
Okay. Macam menang special award sih.
Okay, so we're gonna go to the last question.
Last question lah. Let's go.
Ready?
Kau tanya diri kau sendiri ID, nanti kau jawab sendiri.
Apa takkan ID nak tanya.
Taklah bodoh main-main lah.
Apakah pandangan anda jika segelintir masyarakat mengatakan Alkisah adalah pengaruh kurang baik kepada masyarakat?
Memang. Memang saya very bad influence.
I mean,
it's true.
I mean, aku dah kena tu. I mean,
well.
yeah, well.
Macam mana aku nak jawab ni benda lain orang lain, macam tadi kita cakap, lain orang lain cita rasa.
Yep.
So it's really hard and it's really impossible untuk kita
To please.
puaskan everyone.
Yes.
Yeah.
Untuk kita nak please everyone lah.
Yes,
So nak
true.
cakap macam okay, we do one type of content. Dia ni suka, dia ni tak suka.
Yeah.
Okay, sekarang kau ikut yang tak suka ni, dia ada cara yang dia suka. Kau ikut cara dia, yang tadi suka kita tak suka kita.
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah, true,
Kau faham
true.
tak? So macam for us to please everyone, aku rasa it's really hard lah.
Yep.
So to be honest macam sama juga, if you're gonna say that I'm a bad influence, then so be it lah.
Yeah, true,
Then
true,
so be it. Bahasa macam pada aku, as long as aku tak jadikan kudis kat badan kau, then it shouldn't be any problem lah.
Dia tak
Correct.
tahu apa pasal kau nak sibuk.
Kenapa pula kau mengamuk
Okay, macam and also okay, korang tengok we take example Ustaz Abid Liu.
Yeah.
Okay, what he does on his platforms, is it a good thing? Dia tolong-tolong, dia begini, dia begitu.
Yes.
Betul.
But there are some people yang still tak suka dia.
Yeah,
Correct.
same.
Ada yang cakap juga, Ustaz nak tolong orang, tolong lah, tak payah nak post apa, ikhlas tak ikhlas.
yeah.
You know, there are people who say that, and there are also people yang cakap nak tolong orang habis muka tak tahu nak blurkan. Kira tunjuk siapa miskin kat Malaysia ni. You know, there are people that say that. Kau faham tak? But ultimately macam apa kita cakap, we all agree that what he does is actually a good thing.
Correct.
Yeah, true, true,
So
true,
sekarang kau tengok, kalau benda yang baik yang datang daripada ustaz,
Yeah.
ada yang masih boleh tak suka, apa lagi kita ni yang
Konten-konten kita kan.
betul tak?
True.
Correct.
I will agree lah. I mean like kalau kau tengok betul-betul like what you say, Ustaz Abid Liu, he's a ustaz tau. Kita ni tak ada apa-apa tau. Kita hanya insan biasa.
Okay.
Aku ustaz.
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 Kau bukan ustaz, kau udon bodoh.
Ini jok-jok ngantuk sekali.
I mean we try our best to give good content, but mungkin kita punya cara penyampaian is different. Like what we answer at the first question. Kita yang jawapan semua kirakan kasar, that kind of thing. Because in this world orang akan berbual kasar pun.
Yeah.
Tak ada berbual kirakan jumpa member, "Hai, awak apa khabar?" Tak ada kan? Tak ada kan? You don't need to be so fake like Anda semalam makan apa?
Suara macam Indonesia.
Baiklah siang kau. Aduh, aku kena balik. Fuck. But yeah, you know like we just be ourselves. It's better to be like that. And I know Ustaz Abid Liu is going to be himself like, I don't give a damn about it. Yeah. So that's my point of view lah kan. Yeah.
Okay, and here's another thing lah. Bahasa people usually this was my answer to him. Orang masyarakat lebih suka mempertikaikan cara kita sampaikan something
Correct.
daripada take note of benda yang kita nak sampaikan.
Yes,
Kau faham
our
tak? Okay,
awareness.
like for example, macam okay, letak aku nak sampaikan a message yang a single message, a good message lah.
Yeah.
But just because I say it in a harsh and a rowdy way,
Yeah.
you know, does that make me sound bad? Does that make me bad as a person?
That's a question.
That's why. But people won't even listen to the message. People kata, dia ni bual kasar sia.
Yeah, you see, it goes
then-
back to people's
Yeah.
preferences.
Dan tiba-tiba aku jadi bad guy.
Yeah, you know like
But okay lah, I like bad guy.
okay, that sounds so fucking wrong. Again, times 2. Like ada peribahasa bahasa Melayu. Lain lubuk, lain padang, lain belalangnya. Lain lubuk, lain ikannya.
Dan
So
last sekali ada juga sampaikanlah salam.
what the hell, bro? I mean, okay lah, sampaikan salam kepada kamu semua lah. But yeah, so people have different kind of preferences and people.
Yeah.
Kalau orang tak suka kita, dan tak suka.
Correct,
Maybe dia
correct.
suka konten lain. Then kita pay content, mungkin ada orang suka yang lain. So maybe they like it and they can share it. So
Betul.
tak payah nak argue about this thing, right? There's don't need to have any arguments with it.
Correct.
Yeah, and aku rasa it's time to move. Okay lah, kita ada banyak lagi soalan nak tanya kau. Lagi 4-5 soalan lah aku rasa. So we move it to the next episode lah.
Gitu. Sorry
siap.
ID.
Korang memang tak kasih aku lari lah ni.
Tak ada. Kau penat, kita pun penat. Kita sama-sama penat ber.
Sudah. Okay guys, jadi jangan lupa podcast kita kali ni ditajakan khas oleh The Fashion Avenue. Jadi untuk korang-korang yang suka dengan barang-barang branded atau barang-barang luxury items ni, bolehlah korang check them out.
Yes sir.
Di Fashion Avenue ada jual macam-macam barang yang branded, ada jual
Yes.
jam, kasut, capal, baju, seluar, gelang tangan, semua ada guys. Yang penting sekali jangan lupa dorang ada discounted prices.
Yes, so pada korang-korang yang nak cari hadiah ke untuk sesiapa, your family, friends, colleague, jangan cari jauh-jauh guys. Di Fashion Avenue ada, installment plan pun ada guys.
Jadi tunggu apa lagi semua?
Masih kau.
Follow them at @fashion_avenue. And kalau korang ada apa-apa persoalan, korang boleh hubungi mereka di 87830996. Aku repeat lagi sekali, 87830996.
Betul tu guys. Jadi kalau korang nak beli sekarang ke nak beli nanti ke, itu tak penting. Yang penting korang kena follow dorang dulu.
Follow dulu guys.
Dan bila korang nak beli nanti, jangan lupa untuk kod Alkisah untuk dapat free island wide delivery. Dan dengan itu kita akan jumpa korang di episod seterus Sembang Panas.
Ini sembang panas. Ini sembang panas. Ini sembang apa? Ini sembang panas. Ini sembang